Hi children, welcome to my class. In the last class we had studied about the fun they had. Did you read it yesterday from your home? I think everybody read it. Very interesting story, very interesting science fiction. Didn't you read it? Okay, today we can continue the lesson. What have we studied yesterday? We studied Margie and Tommy, two children. Margie wrote in her diary, Tommy found a real book. And the children were astonishing what is a book, what is a real book, because they are using e-book, telebook. That much only we told yesterday. So shall we continue? Okay. Margie always hated school. That also we told yesterday. Margie hated to go to school. Not going, that means in her room only. The school is in her house only. But she hated the school. Now she hated it more than ever. Why? Because Tommy got a book and in that book also it is written about school. Actually she hated school. And from this book also she knew that it is written about the school. So she hated the school more and more. Now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So here, I think you won't have such experience. If there is no teacher, what will you do from the class? You will do some other things. Sometimes you will play, you will do some small play from there. Sometimes you will shout from there. Some others will do their homework. But here, Margie couldn't do anything like that. Why? Because the school is her home only. When there is no teacher, she couldn't do anything because that is her house only. So Margie, the mechanical teacher, Margie's teacher, she is a mechanical teacher, not the person. So what she will do? She will give test after test. So she hated school and she is very weak in geography. When the teacher gives test, what will happen? If we like that, we will do something better. If we didn't like, what will happen? We will be worse and worse. So here also it so happened. Margie hated geography lesson and she became worse and worse. And one day, Margie's mother thought that it is better to find the mistake what is happening to her geography lesson and sent for the county inspector. And it was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. But he knew how, all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which large and the lessons were shown, the questions were asked. So here, one day, when that class is not there, she thought today she can do some other thing. But what happened? Mother called the county inspector to make the screen clear. And the county inspector came there. He was a round little man with a red face, whole box of tools. Margie wished if he couldn't do that, she could have studied well. Why that day she can take rest. But what happened? The inspector knew very well about all the mechanical work and he made it very clear. So what was Maggie's hope? Maggie thought that if he couldn't make it clear, she could go and play. Yeah. So what happened? Everything was clear. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Yeah, that is common to everybody. You haven't a problem to sit in the class. If the teacher give test, what will happen? Next day you will, what you will do? Sometimes somebody will do, and next day you will think, what may happen that today the teacher won't come, we can play from there. So here also, she hated school, especially the homework and test. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Here another one thing is the when you complete the exams or test or the homework, the teacher will correct it and return to you. At that time, it will take some time, but as a mechanical teacher, what will happen? Within seconds, the mechanical teacher corrected everything and returned everything. So Margie hated to study, hated school. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Maggie's head. He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think geography sector was geared a little too quick. Those things happen sometimes. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year-old. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory." And he patted Margie's head again. So here, Margie wished not to be ready for that next class. But the county inspector cleared everything and everything was ready. And that inspector, the person, patted Maggie and told to Maggie's mother, that is not the mistake of the child. That is commonly happened. For example, while you were watching online classes also, sometimes there may be problem. You can't watch it clearly, you can't see it clearly, you can't hear clearly. Then somebody will come and clear it everything. So here also it so happened. Margie's screen was not clear. It was not clear. What was the real mistake came there? That level was not easy to understand for her. Why? So one thing you should remember here, in the school, all the children sitting together and they are studying the same thing. But in future, what may happen? The students have to study according to their mental age. Not the same equal age students won't study the same thing. According to their mental age, that book will be adjusted. So here, how old was Margie? She was 11 years old, but that geography lesson, that geography sector was little difficult to understand her. So the county inspector adjusted the lesson as a 10 years old child. So now there won't be any problem. She could very easily understand that. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. That is the reason Margie became happy when the county inspector came. Why? Once it so happened to whom? Tommy. It so happened to Tommy also. Tommy's history sector blanked out completely. And that 1 month he couldn't study anything. Some weeks and all he couldn't study. So Margie became happy when the county inspector came, as it should be happen like what happened to Tommy. But here what happened? Here the county inspector cleared everything and everything ready, and he told that is not the mistake of this little girl. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. "Because it is not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago," he added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Here they mentioned the school of centuries ago only. and that school is entirely different from the school now they are studying. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher. What may be the if they love to go to school also, they sometimes they don't love teacher. Why? All teachers are different. Somebody love the kids, somebody will scold them, and somebody will beat them. So some children didn't like to go to school and they don't like to study from a teacher. Okay. And now they told the Margie and Tommy had no teachers. Their teachers are mechanical teacher. They had no real teachers. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. They astonished a man. A teacher means a man. Why they astonished so? What may be the reason? Because they haven't such an experience. Their teacher is mechanical teacher. A man. How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. They astonished him. A man is a teacher. How it could be? Man can teach everything. How a man be a teacher? A man isn't strange enough? Sure, hers. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much, I betcha. I'm betting to you. Some teachers knows very well. Why? Because my father knows something, teachers know something better. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. What may be the reason Margie told so? Can you imagine? Because according to Margie, a teacher is a mechanical teacher. She had such experience only. She knew the teacher always with her only because the mechanical teacher won't go anywhere. It will be there always with her. So she thought that how could a man be a teacher and where will he live? Where will he stay? Tommy screamed with laughter. Tommy couldn't stop laughing because Tommy is elder to whom? Yeah, Margie. Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is more than that 13 years old. So Tommy told that you foolish Margie, the teacher has their own homes and all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. Teachers didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. So think that they couldn't imagine a place. All the kids are coming from their home and sitting together and a special person named a teacher coming to teach them because they won't have such experience. They individually sitting their own home and studying. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. A teacher's and teach that kid has to be taught differently. So you think that in our class, in your class, all children sitting together are same age. Sometimes maybe 1 or 2 months elder or younger. But all the children are studying the same thing. Margie couldn't imagine it. Margie told that all the students saying the same thing. Here we are studying separate. One student studies something and according to the mental age only the others will study. So she couldn't imagine all the students, all the children coming from their home and sit in the same place and sitting together and study the same thing. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. While they were discussing about that what happened, Margie's mother came there and told Margie, it is time for school. Margie looked up, not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, it is probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Here, Tommy and Margie, while they were discussing something about school, what happened? Mother came and called, "This is time for your study." So they told Mama, "Afterwards I will study." "Not yet. We are discussing something about school." But it was a time fixed for them. You imagine, if it so happened from your home, what will you do? Will you obey your parents? When they call to sit in front of TV and study alone, you will tell, "No ma'am, after 5 minutes or after 10 minutes I will." But if that is online classes, you have to sit in front of it and watch it. Okay, here also what happened when they were discussing about, the reached Margie's mother and called her. Margie's mother told, "It is time for school." Without any interest, she decided to go. There wasn't any other way. She has to go to school. Go to school means not from any other place. She has to study from her own house. Clear? Have you understood this? Anybody can explain it once more, summarize it? I will tell. Here, first part we told that Margie and Tommy, they got a book and they astonished. And secondly, Margie was astonished to hear about a school and teacher. She couldn't believe a teacher, a person came and teaching. But really, in olden times, now also it is going on, a place where all the children are sitting together and studying. But she couldn't imagine. Her school is her own room only. Special teacher is there, that is a mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher is teaching her. Yes? Shall I ask something? Okay. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Here we have teacher, common person. But what kind of teachers Margie and Tommy have? They have mechanical teacher. Why did Margie's mother send for the county inspector? Why? Because her geography lesson was little worse for her. What did he do? What did he do? He set another level. According to the age of Margie, he set another level of geography lesson. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? Because it was too quick to follow. What did the county inspector do to help her? They changed the slot and kept another lesson.